Hello everyone. So start from the today class. Today topic is ECC. Okay, it's a very important topic. It's frequently asked in each and every exam. Okay, so ECC basically it's a full form early childhood care and education. Okay, ECC start from birth to 6 year. And birth to 6 year, it's a backbone of the growth and development of any child. Okay, and this is a very fast growth occur to the each and every child. Okay, so it's a kind of very sensitive age. It's also told if I say, okay, and it's a very sensitive plus it's a very creative age. Okay, because in this time if we nurture a child, if we nurture to the parents, if we provide a proper guidance, we provide a proper environment and provide the proper nourishment to the child, so it's a very easy for the child to growth in a very fairly way. Okay, so and basically in this age their mind having more influence. Okay, so we have the duty being a teacher to lead a child and aware to the parents to nurture a child with the proper way, so that their child having not any kind of disability later any kind of in the future endeavor. Okay, so okay, start from the topic. So this is the okay, by HRD National Policy on ECC that comes 2013. Here there is a three sub stages of ECC. Is that first is conception to birth, second is the birth to 3 year, third is 3 to 6 year. Okay, so first is conception to birth. I already explained that conception to birth. This is a very this is a very sensitive age of the child. Now come to the birth to 1 year, 1 to 3 year. Now 3 to 6 year. Okay, so this is the basically sub stages. You guys note down as it is. Okay, here if I explain that this is why it is the call, I already told that because in this way rapid growth occur. First point. Second point is that by by the protection and care. Okay, and also need in our education system to avoid to provide the proper guidance and provide the proper awareness, okay, to the child as well as their parent. Now come to the there is a there is a three part which is a divided. First is the golden age, second is the emotional golden age, and third is the future golden age. Okay, so first is the golden age. In this age this is called the childhood age. Now next come to the emotional golden age. This is the infancy. Now third is the future golden age. This is called the adolescent. Okay, here ECC it's start from the birth to 6 year. Now in the brain, if I talk about the brain development, so in the age of 6 year there is a 90% brain developed to the any child. Now according to FLN, you know guys what is the FLN. Okay, so according to FLN, cumulative brain develop 85%. Okay, now start from the knowledge, skill, value. So here there is a this is the basically building, this is the basically foundation of the child. Here knowledge and skill, value, and we need to the explore this all thing. Okay, in the case of the child, so learning by themselves or by environment. Okay, it's a very important to learning by themselves. Learning by themselves, it means that if we provide the child with the real touch, so that a child having the having own self develop a creativity to interact with the environment, and their senses develop, their mind create their mind, their mind efficiency increase by their touching the environment, interacting with the environment. So that this is the basically this is the path by their increasing their sense, by increasing their all the efficiency that need to the child. Okay, for the growth and nurture. Now next point is that basically aim of ECC is that to ensure the children free, safe, secure, healthy and respected to the environment, because it's very important to any child to feel safe and secure, to feel a very, as a respected, because of because child is very egocentric. They want to attention, they want to that each and everything hold on their own dear favor. They want, so that it's very easy to their growth, it's very easy to their whole development for the, so that it's a main aim of the ECC. Now there is a 4 to 5 point which I mentioned here. First is the healthy habit. This is very important for the child. Now second is the language development. Language development is one of the most important thing in this age. Okay. Now third point is that foster cognitive and physical development and all over development. Okay. So what is the foster cognitive? Basically, in the foster cognitive means when we developing the child in their case of the mental development. Okay, how it is occur that, okay, I already explained that if you touch the, if you touch the environment to the child, so that their mental development as usual it occur, not need any kind of effort. So you have to be very easy step to taken by the child to touch the all the environment thing. Okay, that will be increase as their mental, their physical, their cognitive, each and every aspect of the, that will provide the child to increase by these ways. Okay, so this is the way of ECC. So thank you all of you guys. Now next start from the tomorrow. Thank you.